about to clock out of our shift. We were so busy.
Ooh, I got some good.
Girl, I got so much shit. Like,
You're definitely gonna spend more than last year.
I
That's for damn
me?
sure. Yeah.
So cute. 18. Oh, what the hell is in there? So I gave him a Reina blind charm because he never fucking uses it. Okay, so we are currently on the way to the car and then we're gonna head to the venue. And I don't even know where the venue is, but downtown LA. We're in nothing beach box.
Yeah, it's not freeway. Yeah. Thank you.
Michael Cam. He's sewing up right now and he's kind of, oh shit, where is he? Hi Michael. Hi. How are you feeling? Ooh. How are you feeling? Do you feel really sick? Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it? 9. Do you still feel like you need alone time? Okay, so we're gonna check on Michael again. Oh fuck. Hi Michael. Are you breathing? Okay. We're still waiting on the food. You wanna go with us right now? Okay. Did you throw up? Okay. Here, Michael. Sit right here, sit right here, sit right here. Run it, run it. Is that food ready?
Almost.
Oh my god.
This looks good. Pictures.
We're safe. Bye. Night. Drive safe.
I needed these carbs, bro.
I was like, yeah, we're gonna make this in one trip, dude. One thing about me is I'm not coming back the fuck up. Okay. So 10, here we go. That'll do it. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, exactly. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yup, that's the one. Peace, love, unity, and respect. Hey. Oh my god, everyone's got the glasses on. Leah! Oh, thank you! Here, I'll put it in my bag. Appreciate you so much, Leah. Cheers. No, there's still attendees. Oh, AX is over. That's the one. Oh my.
Oh, perfect. Hey, remember, post AX kudos, nigga.
Go ahead. This shit, it smells like hot and ready couch shit. Oh, absolutely not. You need to get out. Start feeding bitch. You better work, bitch. I'll do it. It's fine. Are we gonna do this? Okay, so we're getting gas right now. It is literally 102 degrees outside. Like, it's a warm breeze. This is just so nasty, red. Where's the meat? That's the fucking reveal.
It's not a double-double, it's a one half.